Welcome to Neville's Journey. Here's my service dog in training, Neville, and I am Ariana, his handler. Today I'm going to be doing a What's in My Bag college edition, so let's start. First, on the outside I have these 3 patches. This one says, "Please ignore me, working canine." It's from Face Your Fears Gear on Instagram. This Do Not Pet patch and Medical Alert Dog Do Not Distract are both from Amazon, and all 3 patches are Velcroed on. In this front pack, I have wet wipes, an extra mask, and some hand sanitizer because we all love COVID, right? On this outside pack, I have sunglasses and my keys, pretty much the only things I put out here. And then on this side, I have my water bottle. On the back, in this section, I have poop bags. On this one, I keep my debit card, my dorm ID, and my student ID. In this pack down here, I keep a pack of wet wipes in case Neville's paws get dirty or I just want to wipe something off of his muzzle. There's some wet wipes for that. There's specific pet wipes. Now let's get on to the inside. So I like to carry around a mat that I made for Neville just to make sure he doesn't get too dirty when he's laying on the floor of my classes or at the dining hall. I also keep a collapsible water bowl and a water bottle. This is specifically for Neville. I don't use this. I've got a small pack of treats because every opportunity is a training opportunity. And I just refilled this bag, so there's not necessarily the pork treats in here. I keep my glucose monitor and some cookies, low blood sugar problems right there. I have a ball to play with Neville in between classes or before I go to the dining hall. He tends to get the zoomies right before then. I also have a Kurgo first aid kit specifically for dogs. It opens up like this and easily folds back to go back in my backpack. And then along with that, I just keep more hand sanitizer, headphones, a battery charging pack, and then I also have my laptop in here and whatever notebook I use for class. I exchange notebooks for every class, and I also keep my planner in here. All of that stuff is on my desk because I was just using that. Thanks for coming to my video.